Good morning to once again all of you. And now Hilika, you are able to share on your screen. Another request to, if you have any query, doubt, please ask today. And also I decided one a special session for all of you. Revise all of this thing as per your level, and you just take help. Okay. Yes. And now I'm able to see your screen, Hilika. In this screen, you just make switch, and here you connect. Okay. So just now you ask and go ahead.
Sir, while sending mail from laptop to DNS server, I couldn't send, sir.
Not going. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just click on DNS server and go to the IP address. First, I want to check what is the IP address of your DNS server. I unable to see your screen again because you only see your pop-up screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I can see. This is the 2.10, and in DNS server you not mention here DNS server ID. Okay.
Okay.
So definitely mention DNS server ID also here. Same 198.2.6 2.10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this close and come back. Same screen. You can share a screen, so it is easy. Okay. Now sending the packet from the laptop to that DNS server. First, yeah, sending. Successful.
Now it is, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
And now I want to some more check. This is working now. And just open the tablet. Again, able to see.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Here put name of that website is available on your DNS server, please.
No, sir, it is not there.
Not any configuration in DNS server. First
No,
type.
sir.
So just first open the DNS server. Just close this and go to the DNS server.
Sir.
DNS server. No,
DNS server.
this is the okay. Physical. Go to the physical configure. Okay. Now go to the option DNS. Yeah. And here add some website name like www.add. First you write the name any website here. www. Any website name. Facebook.com. Yeah. Okay. And what is the web server ID from your in network? You put here. IP address of your web server. 192.168.2.15. I think to check on your computer in the network to what is IP address of web server and put here. Are you getting web server ID? Yes or no?
Sir, your microphone is muted, I think so, sir. We couldn't hear you.
Sorry. I am telling here again. Here you just put www.facebook.com So in your network 2, what is the web server IP address? Put on the in position of address. So in your network 2, what is the IP address of your web server? 192.1.
15, sir.
Yeah, never. I not saying here, na. Yeah, here put. Here in the DNS server, there is two information required. One is the name of the website. Another is the which this website address and which web server. Yes, now add. Okay. So in the
Yes, sir.
DNS, a lot of website will be there and corresponding their website address, IP address will be there. Okay. So now in network, you have two types. One website, there is the DNS ID www.facebook.com and IP address is 192.168.2.15. Now close this and go to the main screen of packet tracer. Now close this windows and go to the your main packet tracer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just this laptop 0.
Yes, sir.
Laptop 0 in the network 1.
Yes, sir.
Here also put the DNS ID manually. Click on the laptop. Go to the IP address and put DNS IP address of network 2. So DNS ID is not mandatory to it available in own network. Across world, any location you can send. So just put here in laptop 2, go to the IP address. 1.3 is the IP address, and in the position of the DNS option, you can put IP address of DNS server. Please show on screen. I can't here pop up again. Okay.
Sir, I couldn't
Yeah.
type anything in the
No,
blue.
basically it is the DSCP. You go to the via static.
Okay, sir.
Now put here 1.2.168, 1.3. No, here this this 1.0 location. Now IP address. Gateway is the 19 already available. You put another IP address. Okay. 15, no problem. You can 192.168, 168, 1.15. I think 15 is not available. Yeah, now the DNS IP, DNS is address is another location. So you can put 192.168.2.15. 15. What is the DNS at 15?
DNS is 10, sir.
DNS.
10, sir.
10. Okay, put that 10. Are you sure? 10.
Yes, sir. 10, sir.
Okay, now go to the web browser of this laptop 0. Yes. Put here www.facebook.com.
Who introduced tea in India?
Press enter. This is open.
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of this DNS? Meaning is very simple. You from your computer just first identify where this website address will be there, and how to identify website address, help of the DNS IP address. Okay. So
Yes.
first we go to the DNS in another site location and find out actual IP address of the Facebook, and go move to the Facebook and open the web page of the Facebook. Okay. So you are going very well. I think your mate is easy to understand this such networking. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have another doubt. Yesterday, I designed a network on my own, but I couldn't connect it fully, sir.
But today connect working na.
Not this one, sir. The other one shall I share?
Again check. Give, show me where is problem.
Yes, sir.
Here screen the main.
It's opening, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay,
So
now ask please. Here
this one, sir.
our problem is here admin switch to switch 1 is you wrong connected because both devices are the same devices. Admin switch and switch 1. Admin switch first, yeah.
Yes,
It is a
sir.
crossover cable, na? As per our discussion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are the
Sorry,
same
sir.
device. First remove this. Take crossover cable. Go to the cable and choose option the crossover. Okay. And you have any security mechanism in your access point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I gave.
Click on this switch. Any switch, CSC switch, or open again unable to see. Open your screen. Yeah. Go to the config. Go to the port 1. WP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 AB. Very nice. ठीक है now and SSID in the capital form CSC. Now close. Now go to the any smart devices. Go to the main packet tracer. There is a lot of mobile phone will be there.
Yes, sir.
Just any phone. Just open. Click here. Again screen I want to see of mobile smart device and go to the config. Go to the wireless option. Here is a WEP full screen, please. Yeah, otherwise, yeah. CSC is ABCD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 AB. SSID is the one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 AB. Okay, there is no problem, but not showing connected. Just close this and take another any devices. Now just close it. Close it.
Shall I take this mobile, sir?
No, just wait. Just I think some question. You use where you, this access point to select set. Kindly go that location.
This.
Where you this access point select in the packet tracer. Kindly go there. Yeah. Just click on Wi-Fi. Which option you taken?
This one, first one, sir.
First one. You select second one. First second. Just put any location blank. Yeah. Access PT00. Okay.
Shall I connect with this, sir?
No. I just remove this. Again take first one. No. It's okay. Chalo, it's okay. Again take first number one. Yeah. Again put here. I just want to see without you select PDA 0. PDA 0 mobile phone. Yeah. Just click on mobile phone and remove wireless facilities. SSID. Go to the I want to see open want to see this screen of the PDA 0. Yes. Just disable WPV disable. SSID is the default. Okay, now close. Go to the main screen. Unable to see here. You select another device, wireless device. No, in the from you another selection, मतलब fresh selection of device.
From down, sir.
I am user, your mobile phone, tablet. So go to the phone option,
Yes, sir.
user option. Go to the left down where computer and server icon, click there. Yeah. In this case, you select a tablet, either a smart device. Just put here, and a smart device one more. Just wait.
It is not connecting, sir.
Yeah, without a password. First, I want to check it, why not connect this. Na? I think this switch, remove this switch and this all Wi-Fi devices. Yeah, you just save this project and open fresh
Okay,
package.
sir.
Okay, na? I will check there. It may be sometime the software issue. Okay, so just open the fresh packet, right? Save this and open the fresh packet. Yes, you just press yes and open. Okay.
Sir, sir.
Okay, and you just take router. It is just take any one router, yeah, 2811, and currently available comfortable router in this packet tracer 2811. Take one switch, not hop switch. Yes, first number by default, first number switch, and some Wi-Fi devices, at least minimum 2. Okay, some wireless devices, one tablet, one phone. Just wait. Now this is connected. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just go to the access point and as per your desire, set your SSID config. CSC, you can put CSC, Helica, no problem. Password WEP. Okay.
Is it okay, sir?
Close now. 10, not this, the complete digit, not 10. Again go. Update again. Password W. At least 10 digit, 10 character. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 KB. Okay. Now the complete. Now go to the tablet, either mobile, anyone, no problem, and go to the config and wireless option, same as WEP and define. Screen maybe increase. Okay. Yeah. In the position of SSID, you put Helica. Okay. And WEP. I think in that job ad there is problem of the software.
Okay, sir.
It may be some time, no, not
Yes, sir.
it may be possible. Okay, now I would just check it connected, yes or no. Look, cross this. Just wait. Now connect.
Yes, sir. Now it is
There
connecting.
is nothing problem. You are going very well, but problem is the software. Due to the
Yes.
software, that is na. There is no any issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So till time anyone other your mate and you have any doubt anymore, please ask. Otherwise today we go for the one digital communication system. How to work telephone system. Aishwarya, Vanumati, please
Sir,
try.
shall I stop sharing, sir? Shall I
You stop. Yeah, you can stop, no problem. Okay, so I am just sharing now one job ad in your group, and try to make this job at today, and it is very good. And if Aishwarya, you also, I think you also work with me, okay, and try to the communicate telephone system. So you just open the phrase of packet tracer. I sharing the first job at to you, then we discuss, no? Internship. This is the IP phone. And then we go for the security. Okay. I just sharing now one job ad in your group, and this is basically IP phone. So I same here try to make. Okay. So now just start. I opened a phrase packet tracer. How to today communication system. Geo is a completely based on this new types of communication. Other company also migrate the new these types of communication. This is digital phone. I just saving this your save as for your batch. IP phone. Okay. In campus, if you want to communicate telephony system also along with internet, so how to you this telephony system can be arranged in your campus? Yeah, you can say in the hotel. In every room there will be one telephone system. If anybody directly dial number and call to the hotel manager, yeah, hotel room service department. So how this is possible? This internally management by the hotel, hospital, the other location, they will be completely network engineer will be designed here there. So in this case, definitely in the campus either one router is required. I just follow your job at the same time. And for more extension, definitely switch is required. I take one number switch. And in the campus, suppose there are two different telephone system. Go to the user. Here I just take two telephone IP phone. And one more thing, suppose you want to the internet also, so definitely I connect one more computer. So these devices selected for a telephony system. In this case, from router to switch, a straight cable. I just take port number 01 and switch any port, no problem. Another thing, uh, you can connect your phone via the switch. When we he have two options, one is the switch, another is the PC. So by name switch means switch connection. Okay. Another this switch we can take here. And if I want to connect our phone for internet, so this is a PC to PC connected. Okay, so this is the LAN in your campus network. So definitely IP phone. This is no IP phone. You can send digital phone. Okay. So what need required? First, we go for the router configuration. And router configuration means allotment of IP. Number one. Number two work. These all phone required IP address. Without IP address, we can't communicate. So in telephone system, no go for the manually allotment of IP address. So here DSCP, automatic allotment facilities for phone. Second, we can. Next is that by default, router have all facilities, internet, telephone, and other communication system facilities. But by default, internet service there is working. But for telephony service, he required some instruction by the manager. So next is the telephony service by the user. Number 4 is that if I allow to router go for the telephony service, so definitely if you use the telephone, so what is the telephone number? ठीक है ना? Telephone allotment. The next is the allotment of telephone number. Okay, and finally, this switch default switch internet facility is available, but when I want to connect telephone system with the switch, so required telephone service in switch. What facilities of? Okay, so these all work now you can hear. Going to one by one. Okay, so simply just in campus we design telephony system. For the telephony system, definitely main content is the router, then required the switch, and here we just take 2 telephones, okay, and 1 computer. So definitely in your campus, this is the one network ID will be required. Network ID just we take here 10.0.0.0/set. Okay, just take this. So in this regard, just allotment of this port, what is the IP? First go to the router, allotment of IP to the router port. So just click on this here, go to the CLI mode. First time, if your router is asking yes or no, so definitely no, we type here and go to the user mode. And how to allotment of IP? Enable already, you are already aware ki how to allotment of IP. Then go to the configuration mode and go to the this port INTFA 0/1. Now allotment of IP of this port. So IP at just we plan 10.0.0.1 subnet 255/set. So just allotment of IP address of this port. Again here write also IP address FA 0/1 as per our planning 10.0.0.1. Okay. So now the next. Okay. By default, router port power supply is off. So no shutdown. This is power on and do right and exit. First option already you are aware about how to allotment of IP in your this router port. Simply I just go to the configuration mode and go to the port allotment of IP, power supply on and saving. So this is already aware all of you from day one, no problem. Now the next is the DSCP for the phone. So how to allotment of DSCP service through the router? So just find IP DSCP pool. Router you also work for the DSCP pool. For what? Phone. Router, okay, I am ready for DSCP services. Now please give the gateway and network ID. So for the gateway default, I use the tab button to complete command 10.0.0. This is the gateway because this port ID is the 10.1. And which network? Network 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0. Okay. In telephony system, always keep in the mind 100% all IP is not reserved for telephony number. Few IP must be ensured that not given to any telephone system. So in this case, you can another fire because if nothing, any IP address is reserved, so definitely my router allotment each and every one to IP address if connected in the network. So here just option 150 IP. That means I just give the router, you out of, doesn't matter how many number of IP, you only allow 150 IP. Option 150 IP. From starting 10.0.0, sorry, 0.1. Okay, do right. This line why I write here, if you don't write, no problem, it working also. But problem is that if anyone, a lot of telephone system connected in the network, so all IP is by default allotted to the IP address all telephony system. This is a dangerous. So due to avoid any such types of situation, just I reserve number of IP. So you can say only 150 telephone maximum you can add it in this network. Okay. So now second option is over. What is the DSCP? Third, telephony service. So now give just exit. Again configuration mode. Just now instruct the router. You go for the telephony service. So here just writing here telephony service. Just you keep tab button and router. Now you are go for the telephony service. Router, okay, I'm ready. Now instruct the router how many telephone connect in the network. Currently there are 2 telephone. So I just prefer your job at as job there is 5 telephone may be connected. So you how to type, how to decided how many number of telephone you connected in the network. So just you type maximum e phone 5432 as per your requirement, and every telephone number how many digit. So maximum digit 5 number of digit. And next is that this telephone number allotment of IP from which location. So you just find IP source address, which location 10.0.0.1 for what port number 2000. Why meaning of the port number? Because this IP is only for telephony system. In the TCP IP layer number transport layer, he is responsible which types of communication by user and sender. So that is by the ISP, by the ISO already defined different services to their port number. For the telephony system, port number is the 2000. Okay. Now, if I connect the telephone system in network, so what telephone number will be allotted to them? So here just be firing. You have 2 options. Either you may allotment of telephone number manually, yeah, by default automatic allotment. In this case, if you choose automatic, so in this case you put, suppose you have 5 telephone number 1 2 3 4 5. So you put first telephone number. The first telephone number by default telephone number 1. Second telephone number by default telephone number 2 3 4. So just in case of automatic, otherwise we have some additional command and manually allotment of IP. So I just put here automatic allotment IP, auto, first press enter, auto assign 1 to 5. This is a do right. So now second option is also, third option is also completed. Router IP allotment, DSCP in the telephony service, 5 phone, 5 digit, IP allotment source from where, maximum, how to allotment of this. The last is the allotment of the fourth number is the telephone number. So for this, just exit, again configuration mode. So just here allotment of the telephone number, e phone DN1. Okay, first telephone number. So just number 105 digit 1231. Do right and exit. For second telephone number DN2. What is the telephone number? Let's say you take 2 and do right. Now router all types of 4 option is completed here. The last option is the required facilitate to telephone service in switch. So in the router, what we do here, first allotment of IP in the router, second DSCP services, third router is instructions for the telephony services, and finally for the router ki what telephone number of in your network. Okay. If here I type, so you can type telephone number added in the switch, no problem. Now just close this and go to the switch now. Click on the switch, go to the CLI and press enter. Now the switch by default, there is no telephony service is not available. Internet service facility is available. So just I going to all port, first enable confi, enable confi. Okay. All there are 24 number of switch in my this network. So int range FA0/1 to 24. What is the meaning of this line? If I type only int FA0/1, to 24 times require firing the command. So it is a too much take time. I want to key all 24 port switch for the telephony service. So just simply fire ILT range FA0/1 to 24. 1 to 24. By default, all 24 switch will be applicable for a telephony services. So just here firing switch port mode access. First line is firing. Second line is what is the mode? Voice below. Switch port voice VLAN 1. I think some okay. Switch port. Spelling is the wrong. Okay, do right. Again here just define what is the meaning of this line. There in my switch we have 24 number of switch from 1 to 24. You can see on the screen. By default in the switch there is no VLAN. But you can say all are the same VLAN. This is the VLAN 1. So here firing VLAN 1, all VLAN port switch will now ready for the telephony service voice communication. So by default in the switch only internet services is available. For the telephony service we just going for the just another instructions given to the switch and it will be work. So now all command types of configuration is done here. Now I just check this working, yes or no. So before going to testing, in the traditional old line, traditional either old telephony landline system, there is no need power supply. Directly power is come from the telephone exchange. But in the new telephony system, either mobile phone, either new landline system, this telephone system is just like require local level power. Like mobile phone, how to in mobile phone power? By the battery. So same facilities in the landline in digital phone, in upcoming new phone. So in this phone, there is no power facility. Just click on this computer. This is the back side. Look like I want to power supply for the this just adapter. Just put here and GUI. So this is now front option of this phone. This is the first phone, second phone, same power put here and go to GUI. Help of the tab button, I bring both telephony system. If I doing everything very well, so after some time, configure IP and telephone number will be display on your screen. If nothing wrong, okay. So again I repeat, just waiting ki this is proper telephone number allotment, yes or no. Today in the session, just we going for the allotment of today digital phone. Digital phone, that means the new telephone system. Reliance Jio is the completely based on this types of communication system. In the BSNL, another company, BSNL by default landline, new landline is the based on this telephony system. But upcoming time, every well, all are know ki FTTH is the new communication system. fiber directly reach at your home, so definitely their landline will be also available. And you put this landline, definitely you can see here automatic allotment of this bill. So now before testing this telephone system, just all are request to go to the option button, go to the preference, and this pop-up screen is open. By default, telephony sound is not working. So just we check mark, and again here now I dialing from this number to this number. You can listen also and dial also number. Click here, and another phone is also, yeah, this is a tell me. Now I'm dialing from one number to another number. So just I press on this, but this is the 001, this is a 002. Now dialing tone is telling by me, and just dialing this number. This is the light blinking, and you can also listen if sound will be there. Select phone connected to each and every one. Again I try. If I dialing, this is the 002 and this is 1. So in my this today configuration, you can collect 5 different telephone. Okay. This is working. Okay. So now Hilika, you are all are already given job ad, or line to line command will be there, and also share this today session. So definitely you can, if anybody, all of you, anyone want to the summarize of the report of the telephonic system, so you can also use this IP telephone system, no problem. So if you are working there, you are trying to with me. So are you working? Yeah, just listening. Please inform, Alika.
Sir, I'm just listening, but I have noted down. I have to do. So shall I do it, sir?
Okay, okay. So you can do it, no problem.
Yes.
Okay. So today or tomorrow again meet time on time, no problem. Okay. If any doubt, to again ask me. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.